Good class. How are you all? Very good. Today's activity is about sky letters, grass letters, and road letters. Sky letters, grass letters, and road letters. Very good. Do you know about the sky letters, grass letters, and root letters?
No.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. I'm telling you about the sky, grass, and root letters. So, now start the previous word. Repeat after to me. A, B,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. Do clap for yourself. Everyone look at the whiteboard. I will draw the first 4 lines. First line name is
Sky,
second line name is
line,
third line name is
grass line,
and the fourth line name is
root line.
स्काई लेटर जो है वो कौन से होते हैं? Whose letter start with first line and end on third line, that is called sky letters. For example, B, letter B, small b. Standing line, stop. सेंटर वाली 2 लाइन में उसका बनाएंगे right curve, right curve, right curve, right curve. To make a letter small b, that is called sky letter. Sky letters कौन से होते हैं?
जो
जो फर्स्ट लाइन पर आए कौन से होते हैं?
जो फर्स्ट खड़ी लाइन.
वेरी गुड. अनदर एग्जांपल क्या होगी बी के अलावा? Very good. Now start the small game. Are you interested?
Yes.
Okay. Noah, you stand up. Point out the sky letter. Come here. Point out the sky letter. And B is a sky letter or grass letter?
Sky letter.
Very good. And F is a sky letter or grass letter?
Sky letter.
Very good. Do clap for Noah. Zara, come here. Very good. Okay, Zara, look at the whiteboard. You can tell me D is a sky letter or grass letter?
Sky letter.
Sky letter. Very good. Do clap for Zara. Krishna, you can come here. Look at the whiteboard. K is a sky letter or grass letter?
Sky letter.
Very good. Do clap for Krishna. Are you happy, class?
Yeah.
Grass letters? No, don't worry. I'm telling you. I will draw the first 4 lines. हमने पहले किया तो अभी स्काई लेटर जो फर्स्ट 3 लाइन पर आते हैं. अब हम करेंगे हमारे स्काई लेटर्स डन हो गए. अब हम हम चलेंगे ग्रॉस लेटर्स। ग्रॉस लेटर्स कौन से होते हैं? Those letters start with punchline and end on grass sign, that is called gross letters.
Yes.
For example, A, small a. Like a straight line. To make a letter small a. A is a gross letter. Gross letter कौन सी लाइन पर आते हैं? वेरी गुड, सेंटर वाली 2 लाइन पर। आप मुझे बताएं ग्रास लेटर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? वेरी गुड, K C E M N O S U and other. Okay. Now we play a small game. Are you interested?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. ये हमारा प्रीवियस वर्क है, इसमें भी हम हाइड एंड सीक खेलेंगे, ठीक है? हाशिम, कम हियर। Hashim, there is a sky letter, grass letter, fruit letter. Grass letter, very good. Do clap for Hashim. Abdul Qadir, come here. You can tell me, E is a sky letter or grass letter?
Black letter.
Grass letter, very good. Do clap for Abdul Qadir. Moin, come here. You can tell me, M is a sky letter or grass letter?
Black letter.
Grass letter, very good. Do clap for Moin. Ibrahim, come here. You can tell me, V is a sky letter or grass letter?
Black letter. Glass letter.
Grass letter, very good. Do clap for Ibrahim. So class, we are going to a small activity. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, we are going. हम चलते हैं. You stand up. What's your good name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Ibrahim, find out the grass letter. What is it?
Glass letter.
Yes, A is a grass letter.
Yeah.
Okay, Ibrahim, you can go and put them on the board. Very good. Do clap for Ibrahim. You stand up. What's your good name?
Abdullah.
Abdullah. Do clap for Abdullah. Abdullah, find out the grass letter.
R.
R is the grass letter.
Yeah.
Very good. Abdullah, you can go and put them on board. Very good. Do clap for Abdullah. You stand up. What's your good name?
Tayyab.
Tayyab. Tayyab, find out the grass letter. What is it?
Z.
Z. Z is the grass letter.
Yeah.
Very good. You can go and put them on board. Very good. Do clap for Tayyab. You stand up. What's your good name?
Ismail.
Ismail. Ismail, find out the grass letter. What is it? C. C is the grass letter.
Yes.
Okay, you can go and put them on board. Do clap for Ismail. You stand up. What's your good name? Muhammad Ahmad Waleed. Very good. Do clap for Ahmad. Ahmad, find out the grass letter.
R.
What is this?
M.
M. M is a grass letter.
Yeah.
Very good. Ahmed, you can go and put them on board. Do clap for Ahmed. Do clap for Ahmed. Do you know about the root letters? Do you know about the root letters? No, don't worry. I'm telling you. I will draw the first 4 lines. Then I will give star letters. Next किए ग्राफ लेटर. अब हम लास्ट में करेंगे रूट लेटर. रूट लेटर क्या होते हैं? कौन से होते हैं? Whose letters start with consonant and end on root line, that is called root letters. Root letters कौन से होते हैं? Very good. जो नीचे वाली 3 लाइन पर आते हैं वो होते हैं रूट लेटर. रूट लेटर. Sir, come here. Come here. You can tell me J is a grass letter or root letter? J is a grass letter or root letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for Sar.
Yeah.
Saim, come here. P is a grass letter or root letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for Saim. Come here. Y is a root letter or grass letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for Zepha. Mudra, come here. Mudra, you can tell me. G is a grass letter or root letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for Mudra. I, come here. Y is a grass letter or root letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for I. Emma, come here. You can tell me Q is a grass letter or root letter?
Root letter.
Root letter. Very good. Do clap for Emma. More clap.
Subscribe now.